In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become certified with Intuit QuickBooks training. As we dive into this process, you'll gain all the essential knowledge to take control of your QuickBooks skills, opening doors to new career opportunities, and enhancing your professional expertise. First, you'll want to visit the Intuit QuickBooks training site. This is your go-to destination for everything QuickBooks certification related. The website is designed to guide you seamlessly through the available options, so feel free to explore its offerings. Once you're on the site, take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout and various resources available. You might find it helpful to bookmark this page for easy retrieval later. Next, you'll need to choose a certification course that aligns with your professional goals. The training site offers several courses tailored to different aspects of QuickBooks, so take a moment to assess which course best suits your needs. Whether you're looking to specialize in payroll, bookkeeping, or becoming a pro advisor, there's a course for everyone. Once you've identified the course that's right for you, register for it through the straightforward sign-up process provided. After enrolling, you will gain access to a wealth of online materials and practice tests. These resources have been carefully curated to provide you with a thorough understanding of what you'll encounter in the certification exam. I recommend setting a study schedule that fits your lifestyle, ensuring you have ample time to absorb all the material without feeling rushed. The online materials are designed to be interactive and engaging, so take advantage of multimedia presentations, tutorials, and quizzes to reinforce your learning. Before diving into the practice tests, it's a good idea to take detailed notes on challenging topics for future reference. When you feel comfortable with the material, start working through the practice tests. These sample questions will give you a feel for the real exam and help boost your confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect. Focus on areas where you make mistakes and review those topics until you're satisfied with your understanding. Once you've consistently scored well on the practice tests, it's time to schedule your certification exam. Booking your exam is a straightforward process through the QuickBooks training site. Choose an available date and time that works best for you. Make sure to select an environment free from distractions to maximize your focus during the test. Finally, sit for the certification exam with confidence and pass it. You've put in the preparation and hard work, and now it's your moment to shine. Certification not only validates your QuickBooks skills, but also enhances your professional profile and credibility in the industry. Congratulations on embarking on this journey to becoming QuickBooks certified. With these steps and your dedication, you're well on your way to achieving your certification goals. Good luck!